Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yandan with Evening News. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually launches Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. Says this mission will change the country's health landscape. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio distributes Casio Laser LED Hybrid projectors to TAFMA empanelled music institutes, partners and NGOs. Nagaland Board of School Education urges teachers of registered private schools to register in NISHTHA 3.0. And World Tourism Day is being celebrated today. Tourism Ministry launches National Integrated Database of Hospitality Industry. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission launched in India has the power to revolutionize healthcare in India. He said it is an important day today for India in the 21st century as the health sector is entering a new phase that will change the country's health landscape. Launching the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission via video conferencing, Modi said it will play a big role in removing the problems faced in the treatment of the poor and middle class of the country. Prime Minister said every citizen will now receive digital health IDs and their health record will be digitally protected. On the occasion of the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, 3 years ago, the Ayushman Bharat scheme was started across the country. The Prime Minister expressed happiness that Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission is also being started across the country from today. He said India has the biggest connected infrastructure in the world. Prime Minister Modi said digital solutions proved instrumental in checking the spread of COVID infection. Noting that today's program is being organized on World Tourism Day, the Prime Minister remarked that health has a very strong relationship with tourism. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio distributed Casio Laser LED Hybrid projectors to TAFMA empanelled music institutes, TAFMA district partners and selected community-based NGOs at Kohima today. The project is an initiative of Casio India Corporate Social Responsibility Program, Gyan Ki Roshni, or Light of Knowledge. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Rio thanked the Casio India for the donation of 100 laser hybrid projectors. He expressed hope that the recipients will make good use of the equipments and empower the youths at a grassroots level. The Chief Minister also congratulated TAFMA for their relentless pursuit in propagating music even at the difficult times of pandemic, besides Music Institution for imparting trainings at a grassroots level for continuing to inspire Nagaland through music. The Chief Minister further assured full support to partner and guide the artistic and creative pursuits of the youth and wished them the best in a joint venture to make Nagaland a centre of music. Nagaland Board of School Education NBSC has once again notified that all the teachers of registered private schools and the private middle schools to join the NISHTHA 3.0 National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers' Holistic Advancement, Teachers' Training on Fundamental Literacy and Foundational Literacy and Numeracy for classes 1 to 5 through DISHKA portal within 30th of September. NBSC said, in order to meet the requirements of the continuous professional development of teachers, all the teachers are requested to enroll for the program without fee. It said the digital clips on the steps for registration online are made available in the board's portal nbscnl.edu.in. 17 new cases of COVID-19 positive have been reported today in Nagaland, taking the cumulative caseload to 31,167. In addition, 32 recovered cases and 1 death related to the disease were also reported. Dimapur has registered 10 new cases, 3 in Kohima, 2 in Mogokchung, and 1 each in Beren and Woka. On the other hand, 14 recoveries were recorded from Dimapur, 8 from Woka, 5 from Kohima, 3 from Mogokchung, and 2 from Zulupudo, while the lone death was reported from Dimapur. The total recovered cases stood at 29,094 and 648 were COVID-19 casualties. The state's active case stands at 426. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on the YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. World Tourism Day is being celebrated today with a view to create awareness regarding its roles on socio-cultural, political and economic values globally. This year, the theme of World Tourism Day is Tourism for Inclusive Growth. It aims to help people associated with the tourism sector in every possible way. Tourism Ministry today launched NISHTHA 2.0 and India Tourism Statistics at a Glance 2021 in New Delhi at a special event to celebrate World Tourism Day. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and Tourism Minister G. Kishan Reddy were present at the occasion. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said the tourism sector touches almost every part of the global economy and societies, enabling historically marginalized people and those at risk of being left behind to benefit from development that is local and direct. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio said World Tourism Day is observed in recognition of tourism as the ultimate cross-cutting sector that contributes to sustainable development. Chief Minister Rio called upon everyone to unitedly work to promote responsible, inclusive and accessible tourism. Rio also hoped for an inflow of tourists to Nagaland. On the occasion of World Tourism Day, Advisor of Tourism, Art and Culture, H. Kehovi, called upon all to foster awareness among the global community of the importance of tourism and sustainable development. Kehovi said the day also calls attention to the unique role of tourism sector in preserving culture and natural heritage around the world. Governor of Assam and Nagaland, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, has extended warm Lau Ong Mo greetings to Konyak brothers and sisters and to the people of Nagaland. The governor said Lau Ong Mo is a post-harvest festival and a celebration of thanksgiving to God for a bountiful harvest. He said members of the Konyak community take part in the revelry with families and friends, rekindling kinship, while others seek to build new relations along with the festivities. The governor also emphasized that it is very important for the youth to preserve their rich culture and traditions, which should be manifested in their way of life through hard work, honesty, and unity, along with the colorful songs and dances. Professor Mukhi further urged upon all to celebrate this beautiful festival, following all COVID-19 protocols, and wished the community good health, peace, and prosperity. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio has extended greetings to the Konyak community on the occasion of Lau Ong Mo. Rio wished that the post-harvest festival bring abundance of blessings in the lives of the Konyak community. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Button has greeted the Konyaks on the occasion of Lau Ong Mo festival. Button said that the post-harvest festival is a reminder of God's bountiful blessings for the year's hard work. He said it also unites the spirit and mind of the families and friends. Stating that the global pandemic is far from being over, Button urged the people to celebrate taking into account appropriate COVID behavior. On behalf of the state BJP legislators, the Deputy Chief Minister conveyed festive greetings and expressed hope that it will bring prosperity and goodwill. And now to end the news, here are the main points again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually launches Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, says this mission will change the country's health landscape. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio distributes Casio Laser LED Hybrid projectors to TAFMA empanelled music institutes, partners and NGOs. Nagaland Board of School Education urges teachers of registered private schools to register in NISHTHA 3.0. and World Tourism Day is being celebrated today. Tourism Ministry launches National Integrated Database of Hospitality Industry. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.